Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days, and yes, I've done 3 videos in a row today because we harvested a lot of things this morning and I have to get them all put up. So I'm showing you what I'm doing with canned goods as well as harvested things. This is cucumbers. What do you do when you're so overrun with cucumbers that you can't eat them all and you don't want to pickle them? These are not really pickling cucumbers. Some people do, they're market mores, but I didn't want to pickle them. I have lots of pickles, lots of relish. So what do? I eat one every day for meals, dinner and supper, or lunch and dinner, whichever way you do it, but we dinner and supper. I got a lot of cucumbers. Let me show you. So here in the sink, this is all cucumbers. I didn't even count. I don't even know how many there are there. And I've been eating for 2.5 to 3 weeks every day, eating a cucumber. We picked these this morning. This is one morning's picking, just one. Look at all these cucumbers. So what are we doing with cucumbers? If we're not pickling them, and I've got this many, you know how many vines I got? 3 vines in the high tunnel. Wanda's Queen Dome grows some amazing cucumbers. Danny's King Dome grew some last year. We had nearly 500 cucumbers off 3 plants last year in his, which was the pickling cucumbers. I made relish and I made pickles and I made all kinds of stuff. I did red hot pickles. I have videos. I hope I link these things. But I didn't want to make a bunch of pickles. I have all these cucumbers. So what am I going to do with them? I'm going to take the ends off. This end, and I'm going to rinse them. I'm not peeling them. I'm not doing anything to them. Curious yet? I got a bunch of cucumbers. I'm going to condense these things down. And I'm not freeze drying. I tried freeze drying. They are awesome freeze dried. It's like having a fresh cucumber taste in your mouth. And I put a touch of dill on mine, and that's great, but I'm not going to freeze dry these. And the reason behind cutting the ends off is sometimes the ends have a bitter taste, and I don't want that. But you guys, look at this. You know what? Lots of people pay a good price for one cucumber to do one certain thing, and that is make cucumber water. Lady I was talking to a few days ago talking about cucumber water. She keeps it in her refrigerator all the time. And it got me to thinking, I've got all these cucumbers. I need something to do with them. So how am I going to make cucumber water all year long, right? We're fixing to learn how to make cucumber water all year long off your excess cucumbers that you don't want to make pickles out of. Okay guys, this is a Champion juicer. Danny's had this thing for many years. He used to do a lot of juicing of carrots and apples and ginger and all that kind of stuff when his previous wife had cancer. So they use this Champion juicer a lot. Now we're going to juice these cucumbers. I've cut them in slices that will fit down in the top of this. Just that fast. Look at this awesome cucumber juice. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to juice all these right quick. And you have to have a bowl with the juicer because this end eventually will put the pulp, the dried pulp out. Look at this juice. Guys, this is 2 cucumbers. 2, that's it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to freeze all this cucumber juice. I'm going to put most of it in a gallon jar in the fridge for tonight and freeze as I can. I'm freezing ice cubes. I'm going to take my dehydrator trays and I'm going to freeze them in thin sheets, and then I can break them apart into small sections. When I get through freezing this juice, I will, and breaking it up into sections or either using the ice cubes, I will put it in a gallon Ziploc freezer bag. And when I want cucumber water all winter long, I take out a cube of the cucumber, drop it over in a quart of water, and I'm good to go. So I'm getting some filtered water from our refrigerator, and it is 1.5 pints, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space here. This is a 1/4 cup right here. It's a little bit more than an ice cube would be, but I'm not going to, and this has got some skim on it, so I'm going to try and get underneath with the skim and all. 1/4 cup. Look at that. Should work out about right. And I have these from Mason Tops. You can drink out of them. It has a seal that goes on, probably goes in it, and then you put this on top to keep it from messing up. You can close that down. And a lot of people use these for many things, but you can drink out of this. You can add lemon, ginger, mint, and all this. I have a recipe in my cookbook called Sassy Water, and it calls for putting cucumbers, lemon, ginger, and mint over in it. It's pretty awesome. And you can put it in your fridge and drink on it. It's kind of a slimming down drink. You can add ice to it. I'm going to stick mine in the fridge. A good way to have it. By doing this and by freezing these cucumbers in cubes or in thin layers and breaking them into the pieces I need. That way I can thaw out only what I need. I don't have to thaw out a lot of cucumber water, or juice, I guess I should say. And I think this is an awesome way to have cucumber water, don't you? Who would have thought freezing cucumber water? We're going to juice all these, freeze them, and guys, I'll show you the product later after it freezes. It's going to take a while, but simple, easy way to use a lot of cucumbers really fast. And plus have them for all winter. Thank you guys from Crazy Days. 8 cucumbers, and I've probably got 1/3 maybe of juice in a gallon pitcher with 8 cucumbers, and I had 32 cucumbers to do. I have 4 ice trays that I'm going to fill up now and get them freezing. And isn't that juice beautiful? And then I'm going to be putting the other on freeze dryer trays, on stainless trays in the freezer so that I can freeze them fast. And guys, last year I put cucumber slices in, just sliced cucumbers up and froze them and put them in Ziploc bags so that I would have them for smoothies. This way you can add a ice cucumber cube to your smoothies. Another way to use cucumbers all year long. My cucumber juice is going to be a hit for me all winter. Alright, so I have juiced 32 long cucumbers. I've got 4 trays of ice cubes in my refrigerator freezer. I have a gallon of juice here, and I have probably about 1.5 pints here. I skimmed the top of this, and I'm going to skim the top of this and take that off. Now I am putting this in the refrigerator. I am freezing it and sticking it in the freezer. Somebody's going to say, what if, how do you preserve it long term if the power goes out and things like that? The deal is, if the power goes out, we start in the freezer first. Somebody will be drinking cucumber water for the first 5 days, I'm sure. Then we start in with the other stuff. Power goes out, always use everything in your freezers first. Down the freezers the first 5 days. So cucumbers is a great thing to have on hand, but when you get too many and you don't know what to do, you've had all the pickles you want of all varieties, you can juice them and save them in ice cubes and things like that for future use with smoothies and sassy water, which is in my cookbook, along with a whole bunch of pickling recipes. Well, not a whole bunch, but several. You can also just make cucumber water, just to drink every day. You can also use a juicer and juice your kale, your greens, your beet greens, beets, if you want even the beets, but beet greens, any type of greens you have that is still in good shape, and you're harvesting even your carrot tops, any kind of greens that are edible, you can juice them, and you can make you some cubes for future use. You can make a V8 out of them. You can add them all together. Once you've juiced them, pour them all in a container and mix it all together and call it a V8 or a V7 or a V5, whatever you want to call it. Ever how many veggies you put in there, that's what you can call it. You can also add these to soups. It'd be great to add to soups. I make a cucumber soup. It is awesome. It's a cold soup to eat on a hot day. Cucumber soup. It was really good. Cucumber juice. I'm going to have it for the next few months to make cucumber water or sassy water. I think it's pretty. What do you think? See you later. Thank you from Crazy Days.